There's a lot of things that we put into our blue wheelie bins for recycling, especially plastic, that we could upcycle rather than just throw it away. Plastic bottles, for instance, can be remade to make little plant pots. In fact, self-watering plant pots. I'm just going to cut the label off this one here. I'm using a bodger, which is a hole punch really, and I'm just going to put a marker in here. And then that gives me an opportunity to get the scissors in to cut all the way around the outside. Now, I've got two halves. I'm going to take the top off the bottle, and this then becomes a pot. What I can do is actually put some string through the bottom. Now that's going to act as a wick, because you can use string, you can use wool, anything that will suck up water. So I can plant this top section and then put it into the bottom section with a little reserve of water. Now let me just show you. So there you are, a top section planted up with a wick going down into the bottom section. So the actual part where the plant is planted is not sitting in water, it's just the string or the wool that you've got at the bottom. And that absorbs moisture up through capillary action and waters. And I've got a little geranium cutting in the top there.